This smart ring size adjuster kit ended up being really useful, and I wanted to show what it comes with and how it works. One thing I didn't realize at first is that it actually comes with multiple color options: black, skin tone, and clear. That's really nice because you can choose whichever one blends best with your ring or least noticeable when wearing it. The black and skin colored adjusters are made from a soft foam material, while the clear ones are more of like a silicone or rubber material. So you actually get different textures and styles depending on what feels most comfortable to you. Applying them was really easy. You just place the adjuster inside the ring, press it into position, and it stays on. There's no complicated setup or tools needed. Once installed, the ring fits much more securely without feeling tight or uncomfortable. The adjusters are thin enough that they don't feel bulky and they stay discreet when the ring is on. I also like that since I don't wear my ring when I wash my hands or shower, these should last a long time. They don't feel flimsy and they hold their shape well once they're in place. Overall, this is a simple but really practical accessory. It's easy to install, comfortable to wear, and gives you multiple material and color options so you can find the best fit for your ring.